Yo, what's going on, everyone? Thank you for checking out the video today on your boy Rod the Rican. You guys may know that. But what I got for you today, guys, is a box that came in the mail. It came from Azn Funk Comics over on Instagram, on YouTube. He goes by Marc is his name. So I want to say, Marc, thanks for the box. He was doing a giveaway, and he was giving out some amazing slabs. And he sent me a message, and he said that he was going to send me something. So here it is. So if you guys are not following Azn Funk Comics on Instagram and on YouTube, you got to do yourself a favor. Check out the links in the description below. He's a cool guy in the community, man. Puts out great edit videos, interviews. He's got to check it out, man. So let's crack this bad boy open and let's do this unboxing. I mean, I don't know what's in here, but we're gonna find out. And guys, if this is the first time you watching the show or my channel, feel free to hit that like and subscribe. I really would appreciate it. So let's take a look and see what kind of books Marc sent me. All right, so we got some pull tabs here, and let's see what we got, man. Actually, Marc came on the Name of Frame drawing show recently. He had a blast. We got to bring him back on. But let me know if you guys are following Azn Funk Comics on YouTube, and let me know what you think of his content. I dig it. Whoa, hold on, what we got here? This is looks like a reprint. This is the Amazing Spider-Man issue number 2. Look at the foil letters. That's pretty dope. Some ASM goodness. We got Vulture there. Sorry about that light. So that's book number 1. We got here. We got a couple books here. All right. We got Deadpool. Looks like an Amazing Spider-Man extra. More shiny goodness. Look at that. It's pretty neat. There it is. You can see that little shine. And we got Deadpool right here. Oh, this is like a Marvel Mexico. Is this in Spanish? Could be. It says Marvel Mexico right down here. I don't know too much about this one, but looking forward to cracking into it and checking it out. And seems like here's the last book. Yeah, it says Marvel Mexico again. This is The Avengers issue number 3. Looks like a reprint, and it's got more shiny goodness. You can see that right there. So thanks, Marc, for this A-OK. I don't have any of these books, so that makes it even better. So guys, thanks for watching, and like I said, man, feel free to hit that like and subscribe. Let's push this content out there on YouTube. And let me know, like I said, if you're following Marc over on Azn Funk Comics. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out of here. Peace.
Subscribe now.